Here with Sarah with our physical therapy team again, and we are continuing on in our foam rolling series. This particular one is for calves, so great way to open up those calves. Maybe you are walking the dog a lot more now that you're home a lot more, and those calves are getting a little tight on you. So an easy way to help open those up and loosen them a little bit is to use a foam roller to relax that tissue. So pulling out your 36-inch foam roller, doing this on our carpet. In this particular position here, some of you may get a little bit tired with your wrist, so you can change the position. You could go onto your fist, maybe even lean against your couch so that you're taking a little bit of pressure off of there. And when you go to do this exercise, what you're gonna do is start down in the Achilles here. So here's our calf muscle on Sarah. We're gonna work all the way down to the Achilles. So starting down here, we're gonna start with our toe angled out a little bit and continue with the same process of just working a couple inches at a time. She's just gonna very slowly roll or rock. In this, if you wanted a little bit more pressure, you could lift your hips up and dig into that a little bit more, but sitting down doing this is just fine. So with the toe out, you gotta work that until you feel like, okay, that feels pretty good, and loosen that up pretty well. Then you're gonna change the angle of that toe and angle straight up, and you're gonna work. Now, whether you point the toe or bring it towards you, that's gonna be up to you. Some will feel a little bit more with it pointed, some will feel a little more pressure if they angle it up. And you may feel that differently in different segments of this. And then notice Sarah turned inward, and we're gonna hit that last section on the inside as well. And then from there, once we've loosened that up pretty well, she's just gonna scoot down a little bit, so she's working into that next 2 inches. And so starting with the foot angled in one direction, working those couple inches, then the middle, then the other side. And she's gonna continue that all the way up until she gets to her knee. And then she'll finish up right in this area here, and then she'll slowly work her way back down. So using a foam roller works great. Another great way to do this, in fact, it's one of my favorite, is to use what we call a peanut. So you can use this, do the same process as you will with a foam roller, only you'll be using this. Or you could even take 2 lacrosse balls, and you can just tape these guys together in a few different directions, tape it tight in the middle, squeeze it nice and tight, and then you'll have something that looks sort of like this if you can't find this online. But you can find these things most of the time online, wherever you got your foam roller as well. So great exercise for opening up those calves, and then always remember to do both sides when you do these exercises.
I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Weekly Talk with Doc and learned some good information to help you with your health and wellness. If you have further questions, please check out our website, www.gatewayrehabandwellness.com. There's lots of great information on there, but if there's something that's bothering you, even better than just looking at the website, is call our office, 949-454-8811, and talk with one of our friendly front office team members. They'll be happy to schedule you an appointment, and that's the best way for us to really see what's going on with you, how we can best help you, and come up with a plan of action. It also gives you the opportunity to come into our facility and make sure that it's the right fit for you. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a blessed day.